Are you looking to buy in Cascade, Idaho? Today we're going to go over the pros and cons of what it's like living in Cascade, Idaho. I'm Teia Golden, a real estate agent here in Valley County. The channel's called All About McCall, but if you have a question about anything Valley County, you'll probably be able to find the answer on my YouTube channel. Number one pro of Cascade, Idaho is that you live near the water. There's beautiful Cascade Reservoir, there's Payette River, and you have access to all of this stuff. Imagine owning a home here, waking up, being able to go right outside of your back door and go fishing, boating, or enjoy any other type of water activity. That is a major pro for living in Cascade. The second one is that you live at the base of the mountains. You have Long Valley, Round Valley, and the mountains provide all the outdoor activities that you want. So living by the mountains, another pro of living in Cascade, Idaho. Another one is that you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Cascade is a very relaxed town. They do have all the basic stuff you need, medical, they have a grocery store, but they're not gonna have all the shopping. And so the energy of the town is just very relaxed, and if that's what you're looking for, you might want to move to Cascade, Idaho. Number 4, Cascade is still very affordable. You can get large tracts of land for less than you can in other places in Valley County. You can also get housing for less than you can in other places in Valley County. So if you're looking for something affordable, Cascade might be the place for you. Definitely a pro for living in Cascade. For instance, in Cascade, you can still buy properties for under $500,000. I actually just sold a home in downtown Cascade on 1.25 acres for $350,000. So number 5, it's actually the closest town to Boise that's in Valley County. So if you need to fly out of the airport or make those drives into Boise, it would be the closest location. Definitely another pro of living in Cascade, Idaho. Number 6, there's plenty of outdoor activities and things to do in Cascade, like snowmobiling, skiing, hiking. You'll never run out of outdoor activities living in Cascade, Idaho. With all the pros, we can't deny the cons. Let's talk about the first con, more recent, coming up with all the growth in the city of Cascade. The city needs a new well. And so it is kind of maxed out on its new development until the well is drilled. We have to go through a process that could take from 1 to 3 years to complete. And until it's complete, we're kind of at a standstill on new builds in Cascade within the city limits. You can still purchase and build outside of the city limits, but until they get the new well drilled on the inside, we're just maxed at building capacity because all of the water allocations for the current city well are already spoken for. Our second con is winter access and navigation. The roads in Cascade, some of them don't get maintained in the winter. The access points to different locations can vary drastically. So if you live in Crown Point, you'll know that there's an easy access point that's off of Highway 55 that gets shut down in the winter. And in order to reach that section of homes, you'd have to go all the way down to the south side of the lake and then backtrack. And in the winter, it's just really tough to do. And for emergency vehicles or navigating, it's tough to get in and out of there. Your navigation will still try to send you down unmaintained roads in the winter. And if you don't really know which roads are maintained or not, you can get stuck. The third con is going to be emergency services. Cascade Fire Department does have a tighter budget, so if there's more than one person having emergency at the same time, the response time is going to be longer for people that need help. So that could be a con of living in Cascade, Idaho. This fourth one can be seen as a pro or a con, and that is just that we have limited shopping and limited stores. So if you're going to like a birthday party, we don't have somewhere you can just run out and pick up a gift for the birthday party. If you are needing something for your rental or for your home, chances are you're gonna have to order it online or drive to Boise. We just don't have all of the stores and the shopping available here. But the reason that that is a pro is because that also brings in a lot of people and infrastructure, and we don't have that, which is what creates that relaxing atmosphere. If these pros sound good to you, Then give me a call and we can make your dreams of moving to Cascade, Idaho a reality. If you want more information about living in Cascade, check out this video, Moving to Cascade, Idaho.